Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the dental chart voice recognition. In this video, we will start on the diagnosis observation screen. The dental chart voice recognition feature embedded within GoodX Web serves as a highly convenient tool, enabling hands-free control through voice commands. In practical terms, dental professionals can seamlessly proceed with their patient-related tasks while utilizing spoken commands to input vital information into the system. We will now take a look at some examples that dentists can utilize with the voice recognition. The dentist can switch from observation mode to treating mode by saying Web Switch Mode. The mode has now been successfully switched to treating mode. The dentist can select a specific tooth by stating the word Web and following with the tooth number from the dental chart. For example, say Web 21. Tooth number 21 has now been selected. Building upon this, the dentist can select a specific tooth and state whether the tooth will receive an implant, a crown, and so forth. For example, say Web 23 implant. Notice that whilst data is being received, the invoice is already being populated. The dentist can utilize this function to state a specific task to be done. For example, say Web 14 Resin 1. The system will prompt you to now specify an option for this task. For example, say 1. The dentist is also able to add a note to a specific tooth. For example, say Web 26 Add Note. The Quick Note workflow event screen will open. From here, you have the option to include an image to the consultation, append a voice recording, or attach a body of text. These additions will be integrated as notes within the clinical notes section. Click on a close button to return to the diagnosis observation screen without saving. Click on a save button to save the note. The dentist can simply hover over the mic button to display a list of various voice commands that the system can execute for the consultation.